Ever zoomed in on a blurry photo and lost all the detail? That's the challenge in computer vision. AI models compress images to save power, but they trash sharpness. Meet JAFAR, a breakthrough tool that rebuilds crisp details from low-res inputs. Traditional AI vision encoders discard fine details to cut computation, like compressing a photo into a sketch. Upsampling usually blurs or needs high-res data. JAFAR changes the game by using attention mechanisms and semantic clues. It creates queries for textures and keys for context, aligning them via SFT modulation, a semantic roadmap for reconstruction. JAFAR's magic. It's task-agnostic and efficient. Train on low-res data, get high-res outputs. No more blurriness or expensive labels. Its multi-resolution training lets it learn patterns across scales, extrapolating details it's never seen. In tests, JAFAR crushed competitors like FeatUp and LiFT, hitting 56.45% accuracy on Cityscapes, beating them by 3% plus, while using fewer parameters. It's a lightweight powerhouse, upgrading existing systems without a rewrite. Better segmentation means smarter AI, safer self-driving cars, clearer medical scans. JAFAR proves simplicity can drive breakthroughs. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into AI's future.